In this video, we show how to replace a cooling fan on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing a cooling fan, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove a cooling fan, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove a cooling fan, press the orange release tab and lift to disconnect the fan from the connector on the system board. To install a cooling fan, align and slide it into the cooling fan assembly until the fan clicks into place. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.